why we are talking about at least one consumption based means that particular state should get the money it is one. If you have moved from at least Chennai to at least to Karnataka, when you moved it out, it is consumed in Karnataka, Karnataka should get the money for that.
Now my client is from Delhi. I am going to do an exhibition in Chennai. I am also from Delhi, my client is also from Delhi.
I think the same question is asked, no? Yeah. I know. Whichever we ask the question, I am going to tell you the answer subsequently, just to make it. Okay? Okay. I think what you will do, basically.
But one thing we have a lot of problems in the coming future.
Yes.
That will be solved.
That will solve it. No, not something it will not be there. But certain areas which you should be aware. Why I talked about, if you are not aware of this, you think that okay, I said no issues at all, I'll move my equipment like this. Either you have to get first a representation, get it out, it is one. If it is not done, it is one. If they continue the same way, then there is going to be a problem for your movement, it is. This is okay. Now you look at this one, registration. Registration requirement in every state, wherever at least you are doing at least an operation, effectively, I am not talking about where your customer is located. Wherever you are doing operations that way, that is the state which you have to register this one. It is called as a e-state registration. Every legal entity, the registration it is going to be based upon like this. The registration is a PAN based. The registration will consist of state code, which is the state in which it registers. There will be a state code, there is a PAN, followed by some serial numbers. So, when you are talking about registration, if I have a registration in Delhi, if you have a registration in UP, you are considered as a two taxable person. One taxable person in Delhi, another taxable person in UP. So the transaction between two taxable person, it is considered as a transaction between two legal entities.
Even if it is one company?
Yes. The basic difference is here. We are one company, but in their perspective of meaning, we are two.
There were more things will happen. In Delhi I may have credit, and in UP I am not having the credit. But to pay the taxes from there, and here I am having the credit, I can't avail it.
You cannot transfer it.
Credit cannot be.
Your credit cannot be transferred from one registration to another registration.
It is within the state.
Abhi GST, when I started with the GST, I asked you the questions from all of you. Why I asked all these questions to you? I want to know what is your understanding of GST.
Where is the tax haven?
Huh?
Tax haven. How to evade GST now?
Way to evade.
You said.
Understanding was everything is going to be simple.
No, I say that, I am not saying that everything it is going to be simple or not, that cannot be there. There is a complexity. I am not saying that is going to be the streamlining when you talked about, yes, all the taxes are put together single. The waybill form, it is not there. If people are operating within the single state, they will not face much of problems at all. But there are different types of people which have multiple locations, multiple states movement. That is where the problem comes. Remember, this is the tax, it is not a single central tax. The tax is central plus multiple states. If you are talking about 29 states, I am talking about actually leaving it out, UT with the states, legislatures. So, that is the reason legislation also passed by every state will pass it out. It is not one actually GST. This is like if you really go for the other countries, other world, if you really look at that way, it is one. Like European Union, if you really look at it is one. They have something called a General Electricity Directive, which is applicable for the entire European Union. That's like a broad framework they are given. But every country will have separate at least one. Similarly, what we are having, it was something, because of our nature of our political structure, there is a federal structure. Every state, it is at least have to collect their tax. So, that is the reason, at least what they made it out is one, it is a state-wise registration is required in order to identify the, what is the due, it will go for the particular state, state-wise consumption test.
European Union, it is not like that. It is not in the consuming.
No, that is also consuming. That is a consuming, it is one. Concept, earlier they had at least one, they also changed it to consumption now. Yeah, only UK had a difference, then also they changed in 2008. Okay. Now coming back to this.
Girima,
discussion because we have to draft something and go to the council.
Yeah, definitely. You ought to,
Various things are coming, various problems.
I-
She can note down all the points. We'll have
No
to
problem.
make something and go to the council.
that is what I told that. There is a requirement, you have to think of at least some of the issues which you have to address it out. It has to get through the GST council, you have to bring it out. If it is not brought in, if it comes the same way, though others are also doing it out, but you have to also support that way. As a result, these are the areas, especially when you are talking about when it is returned. What is the value which I have to pay? Or can I actually get excluded for this? These are the areas which has to be addressed specifically, it is one. Okay. Now, registration, I told you it is one, each state. No concept of centralized registration. Service tax, we had a concept of centralized registration. This concept is not going to be there. If you say centralized, at the most it's within the state only. Service tax, across the states, you have various branches from where you do and all those things, you'll have a centralized registration. That is allowed for a centralized, that is for the service tax current position. But in GST, there is no centralized registration. It is a state-wise, wherever from that is a location from which you are going to operate. Again, I am putting it as one. It is not your consumer, where your customer is, there it is one. That is the location in which you have to register. Each return, that is, if you really look at it as one, for every registration, there is a requirement of minimum 3 returns per month. Immediately everybody jumps up.
Sir, right now in excise, if we have multiple godowns in the state also, so we have to get a different registration number in the state.
Not necessary. GST not necessary. So now how many returns?
I have taken material from Delhi. I am registered in Delhi. I take a registration in UP. Now I get a contract in UP. My UP office, can he import the material from Delhi without this thing?
Without the year, she can import on payment of IGST.
IGST, but
Oh, so just a minute for okay. Okay, just wait for some time. I'll talk about place of supply faster. Okay. Since all of it touched upon the return, say I know we are already at least even the 15 minutes thing actually already extended so much time it is. What I let it. No, correct. I want you to. That is what I want to be very clear. It is with you. Okay. Now we are talking about this one registration. There is something called at least for every registration, returns have to be filed. If you are talking about VAT registrations are filed for every registration are filing for VAT. What are you filing it out? It depends. Some may be month, some may be quarterly, right? Here they have made it as class 1. The monthly return it has been made. They may bring some exception for based upon a turnover, quarterly and all those things. Currently it is only talking about only monthly, it is one. The monthly, what they are talking about, it is one. There is something called inward supply, there is something called outward supply, there is a combined return. That is, in a VAT, you had a purchase, you have a sale, all those you put as only annexures. Whereas, here they say that everything I told you is going to be in electronic. It is allow you to upload it out. In service tax, how are you doing service tax returns now? Once in 6 months, you are uploading it out. Here they are taking it out as one. Inward supply, first you will upload it out.